Hello, have you ever wondered how your emotions relate to your body and your body relates to your emotions, resulting in either good or bad health? Would you like to know some techniques, simple movements with breathing that actually help you to regulate your emotions? So, if you're overwhelmed with an emotion, how to clear that emotion with a very simple Qigong movement. Well, I've got a workshop for you, okay? And it's the healing sounds, Qigong healing sounds. And by doing this workshop, you're going to understand a lot about how your body works energetically, internally, and how to actually be deliberate in how you're affecting that and being able to manage your health in a very unique way. Emotions are very powerful. They can be very helpful. They can also have a negative effect when they're negative emotions repeated over and over again. So I would highly encourage you to attend our workshop, and that will be on February 20th. It'll be at 1 p.m. on Saturday, February 20th. And again, you can register there at growthisadecision.com, and you'll receive an email with a Zoom link to attend. And I, again, just really encourage you to get enrolled. It's at growthisadecision.com. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all there.